We're getting into the warm weather, so I'm going to be drinking a little more Riesling. All right, welcome back to Drinking It In. I'm your host, Chris Casara. We're here to help you know more and drink better, and today we are going to Germany. We're going to drink some Mosel Riesling. Let's be honest. Riesling is definitely not being drunk enough in the US. It's just not. No matter whether we're talking about German Riesling or we're talking about some of the Rieslings that we make in the US, that they make in Australia, that they make in France. Tons of good Riesling out there. Oof. Okay, so wow. All right, so where do I start? Slate, clay, rubber bicycle tire, apples and pears. Come on. Let's talk about what we're drinking today. This is a Wilhelm Bergman Riesling. It's from the Mosel region, and it is a Cabernet, which is a basic off-dry Riesling. And this is from the Pierce Porter Goldtropfen vineyard. So, when we wonder why German wines, German Rieslings are not more popular, it's because nobody can understand what the hell's on the label. I think we need a little bit more of a translation. I think we need a little bit more of a deep dive, but the Pierce Porter Goldtropfen is a vineyard, Cabernet is the style, and Mosel is the region in Germany. So I think this particular vineyard, right, is in a really important spot on a hillside in the Mosel. So they bottle it, on its own. And how many wines give you the combination of clay, slate, rubber bicycle tire, apples, and pears? Probably not many. Probably none, unless you had another German Riesling. Let's see what this actually tastes like, though. I did spit most of that out, even though it's only 8.5% alcohol by volume, so not really much. An easy drinker in the summer, whether it's by the pool, on the porch. You got to get more Riesling into your life. So on the palate, that is very, very tart apple just comes through. It's a Granny Smith apple. It's like you bit into a Granny Smith apple, and there was a little bit of clay on it, maybe a little Play-Doh, kind of molded to the outside. So, I think what Riesling brings to the table is a lot of those easy flavors, plus a bunch of complexity, plus wines that can age forever. Let's pretend that you can't see the fact that I have a button missing on my shirt. Get out there, drink a little more Riesling. We're going to keep expanding your knowledge of what some of those terms on the bottle are, so that it makes it a little easier and you're more comfortable picking a German Riesling rather than just relying on simpler offerings from around the world, even though those are pretty good in their own right. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you next time. Cheers. Hey guys, it's Chris. I wanted to thank you for watching the video. I wanted to encourage you to like and subscribe, tell your friends, share it on any platform that you can, and hopefully I'll see you next time. Put that bell on so that whenever I release a video, you get notified right away.